Hello everybody, this is Juan from Novecel. Today I would like to present you guys our new stock in Spain warehouse. So this is the original LCD for Redmi Note 8T. We have 3 colors in stock. So I'm gonna open out about all the bags and show you guys in front of the camera to let you guys see the details of every part of each screens. We have this one is black, this one is blue, we have this one is white, or you guys can call this silver. So we have three colors here. Redmi, so here you can see Redmi. I'm gonna start with they call this tarnish, so it's a black, because I already touched it, so it has my fingerprint on it. So I'm gonna start from the top. Can we see this clear? Slowly. I'm gonna do this very slowly, very slow, to let you guys see every corner, every part of this LCD. So this is how the original LCD looks like. And this one is blue, because we touched this one before with our hand without gloves, so it looks like a little bit dirty. So I'm gonna clean it to let you guys see very clear about every corner. So the color is shiny. So this is normally the common problem I have already explained you guys in our different videos. The common problem that you're having is normally the frame is not, when it's not original, sometimes the refurbished, the color is not shining, it's matte. So I'm gonna clean it. I'm gonna start from the top. I would like to repeat every time in every hour video to let you guys see the difference, understand the difference between the original one and the refurbished one. For example, the first thing, the frame. You guys can check the frame. You can check the color. Shining, right? And the second thing, I also repeat several times, and you won't have when you do the frame and the LCD are sticked very well together. You won't have any light leak, because sometimes if you can try with this one, sucker, I guess called it suction. You guys can try the LCD, refurbished LCD that you are having with this one. You can try to a little bit, try like this. Try to open a little bit. You can see you can easily have a gap around here. So you're gonna have a light leak in the future. But with this one, you won't have any problem. It's perfectly matched. Perfectly matched with your cell phone. And also, this is the original one. The glass, because the refurbished one, sometimes you're gonna have the glass thicker. You can feel the screen a little bit thicker. You can have a gap. But this one, original one, you guys can check. It's perfectly matched, the LCD with a frame. And if you have this kind of screen, you will avoid those common problems that I have talked. You can have a very good comment from your customer. Okay, guys, I have already explained to you guys the present you guys our new stock in our Spain warehouse. Those are, we have stock in Spain, so we can send within like 24. We have stock here, so we can send the same day, or it's like before 4 or 5 o'clock, we can send out in the same day. So during the working days. So if you pay after like 5 o'clock, probably gonna send the next day. So we're gonna promise you guys to send you guys as soon as possible. So if you guys have any other questions, you can leave a comment, or you can just find our contact number in the description area. And we would be very happy to reply you guys and give you guys more details that you guys are concerned about. And thanks for watching, and have a good day. Bye.